Hello, today I'm sharing the best broccoli recipe ever. It's air fryer broccoli, so easy to make and so delicious. So I'm going to take a large bowl and add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. And now I'm mixing all those ingredients together, combining them well. So now, next step, I'm going to get my broccoli head. It's around 8 ounces large, and I'm going to cut it into smaller florets. I'm actually cutting each floret into 3 pieces as well, just to make it smaller, crispier, and yummier. I'm then popping the broccoli into the bowl with the olive oil mixture, and I'm going to cover it with all of the olive oil. Make sure you cover all the broccoli pieces, as they will be more flavorful and taste better. Once that's done, I'm getting my air fryer basket out and adding the broccoli in one layer. We want to make sure it's layered out so it all cooks. And then I want to sprinkle over around 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan. So I'm going to grate it first and then just sprinkle it all over the broccoli. And now it's ready to be popped into the air fryer. I'm going to air fry this for 5 minutes at 370 Fahrenheit degrees. Once that's done, we're going to take it out and shake it, give it a good shake, and we're going to return it and air fry it for another 3 minutes at the same temperature. And once it's done, that's it. Our air fryer broccoli is just so delicious. It's crispy, it's yummy, it's all you ever wanted. Enjoy. For full recipe, go to allnutritious.com, subscribe and like. Thank you.